Alright, so here we go, YouTube. We're back. As you can see, we have the MDX kind of scrapped down at the moment. Now, right now I'm having an issue where I can't unlock the doors using the buttons, and also the trunk doesn't work. Now, if you have that issue, and when you press the unlock button, you hear this sound under here. Then it may be due to this relay. Now, this relay is in the fuse box itself, so you're gonna have to replace it, or you buy a new fuse box. Now, getting this pulled down is quite easy. You just pull a few clips on the side. There's gonna be a rail right here. You can remove the screws so you can get under here. I'm gonna take that screw out. There should be another one up top somewhere here. And then unplug all these wires and change that relay. I'll come back with you in a second. Alright, so currently we've gotten most of the stuff plugged out. This one, let's see if you can see it. This right here is a bit sophisticated. What you gotta do is you gotta pull it back. You gotta push this down, push the back piece down, which is this. Push it down, and let's see if I can get a better angle in. Yeah, so you gotta do it pretty much like this. Squeeze it down and then push this back. And then it will release. And you gotta unclip all these from the side. Grab it, tag it. That's a bit hard. Oh my God, that hurts. Yeah, it comes off. And try to get that screw that is around the back. I think that's it right there. I'll let you know when I get it.
2 hours later.
Alright, so we've gotten that screw taken out. That is a terrible screw to remove. Once you've removed that screw, next is removing these plugs from in the back of the fuse box, which is also a very terrible task. Alright, I'm gonna come back. Alright guys, we got it out. Damn, that was terrible. And here's the mess of wires. That's gonna have to be plugged back in once you're done. Yeah, and one last tip, guys. If you notice that your floorboard here gets wet when you're like when there's rain or anything, that may be caused due to this hose right here. So this hose is the drain tube for the sunroof. Now, if yours get clogged, kind of like how mine is, that water overflows and you know the rest. So when it's like this, get a can of pressurized air, blow it out, check this piece. That's a piece that goes outside. This goes connect right back into it like that. So I took it out just to see what's going on with it. I have to clear this out before I put it back together. All right, let's get to soldering. All right, so now we got it outside. And there's some pins on it that needs to be pulled. This is one, another one. Yeah. Once we pull those, get it open, I'll come right back. All right, so what I had to do to release it, I had to pry this part away. Pry it away, keep the pressure on it like this, and then just keep popping the clips going around, and that will release it. All right, guys, so we've got it taken off. As you can see, this is a circuit board. Now, this is a relay that went bad, this one. Now, we don't have an exact match, but this one should work perfectly. I'm trying to get it to focus. Here we go. This should work. I'll leave a link to this in the description. Now we're gonna have to separate the circuit board from the rest of it. So just grab the circuit board and ever so slightly just rock it back and forth. Try to grab it, turn it however way you can. Mine was really stuck, so I had to jam my screwdriver right here a little bit. Let me come around. I had to wedge it in there and push on it, but ever so slightly, just to raise it. Then it'll pop right out. It's game time, man. Okay, now we got the solder iron going. Now these are the pins that we're gonna need to work with right here. As you can see, this is the new one that we're gonna put in. And all these pins right here in this section, all of these has to be removed for the old relay to be replaced. I'm gonna be back in a second once that is done. All right, guys, finally got it out. Here's the old one. Time for the new one to go in. Just lined up. Push it in. Flip it over. And put some solder on it. Alright, so I got it all properly soldered in. Now, I know I'm terrible at soldering, so no need to repeat it in the comments, guys. I know. I already know. Let's try and get this back together now. Alright, so we got it in. Plug back up. Now, let's give it a try. And there we go. It's working. Awesome. Trunk is working now too. Did it. Now there's a hassle of putting all this back together. In 3, 2, 1. There we go. All done. back to normal, really. Gotta put the cover on for the fuse box. And yep, that's it. Still working. Awesome. Have a good day, guys.